Hey there! If you're just starting out with AutoCAD 2D, you probably know how powerful this software is, but also how overwhelming it can feel at times. I get it. I have been teaching AutoCAD to architecture and design students for years. And guess what? Almost everyone makes the same mistakes at the beginning. In the next 12 lessons, we are going to walk through the most common AutoCAD mistakes, from layering issues to drawing habits and editing shortcuts. Each video is short, practical, and to the point. Even if you have been using AutoCAD for a while, I bet you will find something here that makes your workflow smoother. This course is for beginners who want to build a solid foundation, students in architecture, engineering, or design, or even professionals who want to unlearn a few bad habits. So open up your AutoCAD and let's fix those common mistakes together. Let's get started.